Hello and welcome back to today's Financial News Digest, presented by Skyriss. Here's what's happening on the markets this Thursday.
Microsoft stock rose 1.8% on Wednesday to close at $485.50, driven by investor optimism ahead of its quarterly earnings report and strong momentum in cloud and AI services. In regular trading on Wednesday, the S&P 500 added 0.8%, the Nasdaq Composite rose 0.9% and the Dow Jones increased 0.8%, extending gains for a fourth straight session, as the market pushed into the Thanksgiving week. WTI crude oil futures fell toward $58 per barrel on Thursday, reversing part of the gain from the previous session, as investors continued to seek clarity on supply amid ongoing Russia-Ukraine peace efforts. The New Zealand dollar climbed above 57 cents, hitting a near one-month high, after the Reserve Bank cut interest rates as expected but signaled it may now be at the end of its easing cycle. Ether traded at around $3,000 this Thursday, as strong buying interest has defended the support level, while broader crypto sentiment and technical congestion around this price band have limited sustained breakouts. Now let's take a look at today's key economic events. At 10 a.m., the Euro area will publish its November Economic Sentiment Index, after recording 96.8 in October. At 11:30 p.m., Japan is set to release its unemployment figures, with expectations of an uptick from September's 2.6%. Turning to tomorrow's highlights. At 1 p.m., Germany will announce the annual inflation rate for November, following October's 2.3%. At 1:30 p.m., Canada will report its third-quarter GDP growth rate, after contracting by 0.4% in the second quarter of 2025.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.